students, welcome to our eVidya classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter. Okay, so before going to discuss a new chapter, I would like to ask a question, students. Students, in our day-to-day life, through our eye, we will see different types of objects. Not only objects, everything, whatever we are see through our eye. But how is it possible to see a things or object or a person? Just now you see I am teaching a books, whatever its pictures are there and whatever are letters are there, you can read, you can see also. So how it is possible? Through eye we can see, but how it is possible? Okay. So before going to get this answer, we will discuss about this how you will able to see a object through your eye and how it is possible to see a things through your eyes. So this conclusion we will clear today. So just look at your book, students. You see, you can, this is the a picture 1, this is the picture B, or we can say room number A and room number B. So what do you observe from these two pictures, students? Okay, very good, student. It is too dark, it is light is there. So student, very deeply you just try to understand, this room is dark. So whatever things or objects are there inside that room, you are not able to see. But here, students, whatever things and objects are there inside that room, you can able to see. There is light, bed, pillow and table light is also there. So bed light is there. There is window, outside window street light also is there. So that means we can see a object through our eyes. But with the help of, who will say, here student, we are not able to see whatever there inside the room, but here we can see. So why it is possible? Yes, we can see, this is the dark, this is the days through our eyes. Very good, students, through light. Okay, students, because of light it is possible to see a object. Okay, when light fall on a object, so that we can see through our eye that object. We can able to see that object with the help of our eye. So till light is not fall on a object or any person or any substance, we will not able to see that object. So it is the light, we know it is the prime source of our day-to-day life. So because of light we can see different kinds of things. Whatever you are observing around us, because of light we can see. If it is dark, you cannot see. Through eye we are seeing that things, but because of light, when light will fall down, we can clearly see the things. Okay, when morning, when the sun rises, light will be spread all over the whole earth, so we can able to see our whole earth. Okay, in dark room, when we will put switch on the light, then light will be glow, we can able to see the room. So today we are going to discuss about light, student. Understood? So because of light we can able to see the different kinds of things. Okay, with the help of our eyes. Okay, students. So we need light to see things. It is very important, student, which is very important. I will tell you. You just go through this book and try to read. So we need light to see the things. Okay. How we need eye to see the things? Exactly, with eye we need light also to see the things. Room number C and room number D also you observe, student, many things are there. Here sunny outside, but here rain outside. So some difference are there, and which we can differentiate between two rooms. Understood? So why are the things in room D? It is afternoon. Where did the sun go? Okay, when rain come, you know the cloud will be move around in the sky, so that cloud will be cover the sun. So it will feel our climate becomes too dark. Okay, so like the students, we know that sun gives us heat. You know, sun gives us heat and light. Light. Every day morning we can see the object or things, everything, plants, animals, human beings, because of sun's light only. Okay, this is the natural light. So light is the gives heat and light. Now it's summer season is going on, so this is the, you know how much heat is there. So is this, it is sun only natural source of light. Okay, only sun is the natural source which gives the light to us. Okay, through natural, we will not use any torch, battery, electricity. Sun will give natural light. This is natural light will God will give us, that is called natural light. Okay students, so now you observe students very carefully. All others are man-made source or indirect source of light. So look at this picture students. Candles, balls and fires, crackers, torch, this is called lantern, and this is called deep, and this is the car light. So these lights are man-made. We will made with some of equipments and some of sources so that they can started to glow. Okay, with the help of electricity or battery or any other. With the help of oil, we will use deep. Bhagwan we will give that pray for God, that with the help of deep, you know, this is called deep, or lamp also it is called, candle also called. With the help of these lights we will get with the help of man-made. Man will be do. Okay, clear students? Understood? So students, now we will go for next. Some of these use fuel such as coal, gas, oil and wood. Some these use as electricity. Okay, we use fuel, coal, gas, oil and wood to get fire or light, and some other times we will use electricity to get the light. For example, bulb, torch. In car or vehicles we will use electricity or battery to use the light. But while candle, this is the wood fire, crackers, deep, we will use coal or gas or oil or wood to get the light. Understood students? In many years ago there was no electricity, no modern technology was not there, so we were used to different kinds of stones and wood to get fire or light. Okay students, but nowadays modern technology came, so we are using different kinds of electricity, means battery, generator. Okay, so this is called, through this we will get the light. Moonlight is reflected light. We see the moon because it reflects the light of the sun. Okay students, you know sometimes in night moon will be come, you can able to see the moon in the sky. Because how it is possible? You don't think moon gives light. How sun gives light? Moon does not have lights on its own. Okay, so it gets light from the sun. When sunlight is reflected on the moon, it reflects to our earth surface. For example, through the picture I will tell you students, you think it is the sun. It is the what students? Sun. Think it is the moon, our moon. Okay, that moon does not have its own light. It does not have own light. So how it will give light in dark time? Because the sunlight will be reflect on the moon surface. Okay, after that light reflect to our earth surface. This is the earth surface students. Okay, there where we are living. We are living where. Okay, clear students? Here this is our clear students. So like this we will get light from the moon, because sun reflect light on the moon surface. Okay, understood? The object that produce light are called luminous object. Object that do not produce light are called non-luminous object. Okay, the object which produce the light. Which object produce the light is called luminous object. Okay, and objects that do not produce light are called non-luminous. It is very important, students. The objects that produce light are called luminous objects. Okay, objects that do not produce light are called non-luminous object. Okay, students, the object which produce light is called luminous object. Okay, the object which produce the light is called luminous object. Object that do not produce the light is called non-luminous objects. Okay, we can see non-luminous objects only when light falls on them. Okay, pen, pencil, dot pen, books, sticks, we can see why light now it's falling on them, so that we can able to see. Okay, if I will close the, can you see? No. When light on the fall on this type of object, then we can able to see. Okay, because they don't have light on its own. If I will put that stick in the dark, can you able to see this? No, because it cannot produce light. But at the same time, if I will put a torch, if I will keep the dark room, then we can able to see, because it will be glow, it will be give the light, so it will produce light, so it is the called luminous object. Torch, sunlight, it will the sunlight is the natural sources of our light, you know, and battery, some other things that blow bulb, these are called luminous object. Bar light, because it produce light when by the help of electricity, but the sunlight produce light with the help of not any other electricity or any other things, because it is natural sources which gives continuous light to our humankind. Understood, students? Not only humankind, the whole world. Understood? Or universe. So you can see, student, that picture some object. How will you make this object luminous? Okay, you can see that candles, bell light, bar, deep, and this is called torch. So these are the we can make these object luminous with the help of putting electricity or connecting with the electricity. Here candle, we can use the matchbox. With the help of matchbox, you can give luminous. With the help of battery or electricity, we can use this torch. Okay, students, so this is a lighthouse, you know, students. Lighthouse is used for to see the marine peoples. To far away we can observe the marine enemy, okay, who will be come to our country. So this is the lighthouse called. It is used for marine, to see the marine enemies who will come to our border. Okay, or terrorist we can see, or our country's people we can see. Okay, you can see this is the some animals which they will glow their eyes in night time. Okay, because these are called some one type of animal, their eye, because of some reason their eye will be glow in night time. Okay, clear, students? So next class we will discuss, students, what is shadow. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Read the books, and after studying, teaching, I will give the workbook question answer. So practice, go through it, and ready for your exam. So thank you, students. Thank you. Take care.